Hello, this is Bev from the Apparel and Awards Factory. We're going to look at our new direct-to-garment printer today. We've been in the direct-to-garment business for about 3 years. We also do screen printing here and embroidery and awards, but looking at our new direct-to-garment printer today, we had a direct-to-garment printer that was the HM1 model, which allowed us to print directly onto t-shirts. But the difference between this new machine and the older one is this new machine is able to print 2 shirts at once, which really allows us to produce a lot more shirts by this process. Direct-to-garment's been around for, I don't know, 6-7 years, maybe 8 years, I don't know exactly, but it hasn't been out in retail stores real long. But the technology has really advanced a great deal. What it is that this machine is able to print directly onto the t-shirt. Unlike screen printing, where you have to print your ink through screens, you have to have a screen for each color of ink. This printer prints the t-shirt all at one time. What you've got here is, if we look into under the hood here, we've got a pink shirt where we're printing a white layer down. The machine prints the white first, then it comes back and prints the color layer on top of the white. If you printed the color right on top of the shirt, it would the colors would be dull looking and blend into the shirt too much. So it prints white down and then prints the color on top of the white, which gives you a very vibrant print. And like I said, we're printing 2 shirts at once, which allows us to obviously double our production with this machine. Direct-to-garment is a niche in the apparel decorating industry, where you're able to print multicolor, 10 colors, 12 colors, 15 colors, with all types of shading, and just do one shirt. With screen printing, you have to set up a screen for each print, so it's not, it doesn't lend itself for multicolor, and if you needed a small number of shirts. The other thing that direct-to-garment is able to do is it's pretty much able to print what's on your computer screen. So photographs and things like that really print well with direct-to-garment. You're able to take the actual picture and put it on a t-shirt. So we do a lot of those, for example, for Relay for Life or things like that, where the photo of the person, it's important to have it on the t-shirt. So this is an industry that is really growing leaps and bounds. If you've ever ordered a shirt from Cafe Express or one of those type of large companies, this is the process they use to do the small number of shirts, maybe even just ordering one shirt. So we're able to do that here, and you don't have shipping costs, and probably our charge is going to be much less than those large companies because our overhead is less. So if you need just one or 2 or 3 or 10 shirts in which you need a large number of colors on it, you want to check us out, because we probably can do that for you with this new direct-to-garment printer. We're going to stop the video now. We're going to pick it back up after the shirt is almost done. As you can see right now, it's printing the color layer on both shirts, and it'll take it about a minute to do that. So we'll pick you back up as the shirt is finishing. Okay, we're back with you now, and the machine is finishing up this print. This is a print that is on a pink shirt. We have white, purple, and black ink. And as you can see, the machine does a great job. Very crisp image, very vibrant print on this particular shirt. So direct-to-garment is certainly a niche that is very important in the decorating apparel industry. Like I said, we've been doing it about 3 years now, and this machine is the most modern with technology and all that type of thing. So we really think it's something that adds a lot to our business. If you have small runs where you need lots of colors, or you need photographs on shirts, you might check us out and see what we can do for you. I'd say we'd probably be cheaper and quicker than the large places that you do online. And then, of course, we're local here in Bardstown. So direct-to-garment is a great way to decorate your shirts. Please check us out. Also, if you need screen printing, where you're doing a large number of the same design, that's probably the more economical way to go. If you're doing a small number of shirts where you need multicolor, direct to garment is probably going to be cheaper. And of course, we also do embroidery here for that look on a polo where you want that 3D type effect where you stitch the logo in the garment. So as you can see, we've got a great print here. Two of them on Bardstown Tiger chevron design for the ladies. So check us out. We'll be glad to work with you to get you a great looking shirt. Thanks.